Do you also feel overwhelmed by emotions, highly judgmental of others, or hold grudges for a longer period, gets upset very easily, feel misunderstood, or difficulty accepting feedback of other people? These are the symptoms of low emotional intelligence. So what is emotional intelligence? This is the ability to manage both your own emotions and understanding the emotions of the people around you. So, and you will see thousands of the people who are having low emotional intelligence around you in your surroundings. So while we are discussing about the CV, the profile, our work resume or our work profile, we should understand our emotional profile also, emotional resume, that what triggers us or what calms us down, because this is the whole proper functioning phenomenon. So how, for example, if you're having one emotion, how you're perceiving the emotion, this is the second function. How you're using those emotions or difficulty generating emotions to relate to others, imitations and mimicry, this is in a second step or second function of your emotions. Third step, understanding the emotions. While you're having difficulty conceptualizing and describing complex emotions, difficulty appearing situations that elicit emotions, or impairment in the theory of mind, and difficulty taking the perception of others. Or the third part is managing emotions, that how you're managing your emotions, that's a totally different thing. So while, and who is responsible for our low emotional intelligence? There are lots of stuff like genetics. So it's also 20% to 60% in, according to the research, genetics is responsible for your low emotional intelligence. Or lack of sleep, or using excessive amount of screen, or lack of exercise, or unhealthy diet, or stress, grief, or mental health issues like depression, bipolar, anxiety, personality disorders, or PTSDs, or hormones, or more than anything else, your brain, especially your hypothalamus, because hypothalamus is responsible for your sexual problems or responses, or hippocampus inside your brain, that is responsible to retrieve your memories or preserve your memories, or it plays a role in how you understand the spatial dimensions of your environment. Or the biggest one, amygdala. Amygdala helps coordinate responses to things in your environment, especially those that triggers emotional response. This structures plays an important role in fear and especially in anger. Okay. Then last one, but not the least one, limbic cortex. What is limbic cortex? That regulates our mood or impact of mood, motivation and judgment. So what we should do if we are having these issues? There are lots of treatment for low emotional intelligence, and we can fix this issue by mindfulness exercises, by meditation or yoga, by psychotherapy, by cognitive behavioral therapy, by emotional regulation therapies. So these therapies will be very useful. Or you can also write it down and using the journalizing therapy or journaling. For example, if you're writing what is the emotion, name of the emotion, you are having the wheel, I'll post the wheel also, emotional wheel together, only for adults, not for kids. So emotional wheel, you will choose an emotion, that which emotion you are feeling now. So for example, if I'm feeling fear, what causes this emotion, or behaviors or action this emotion caused me to take, or is this emotion appropriate to the situation, or is the situation distress to be tolerated, or a problem to solve, and how? These are the questions you have to ask if you're having these issues, or if you want to feel that okay, your emotional intelligence is not up to mark, and you have to increase your social skills, your communicating skills, and your other responses also towards your environment. So dealing with the feelings, about the feelings, is the most important thing. If you do have any queries, any question, please do comment. I'll try to answer. Okay, thank you so much. I'm Arjuna. I'm a psychotherapist, life coach, relationship coach, trauma and grief coach.